Grand Old Partisan celebrates more than 17 decades of Republican heroes and heroics. Today, I spotlight the Herbert Hoover Presidential Library and Museum in West Branch, Iowa. The facility opened August 10, 1962. Co-hosting the event was Harry Truman, who observed, quote, "It's a fine library, but it's too damn small." Hoover replied, quote, "You may be right, but it's going to be run by the government and it'll be overstaffed." He continued, "It is exactly 88 years since I first came to Iowa. Since that visit, I have seen much of peoples, governments, of their institutions, and of human woes. I can count 50 nations with which I have had something to do. I was not a tourist. I work with their people. In my professional years, I brought to them American technology with its train of greater productivity and better living. In 2 wars, I served amidst famine, and in the war-shattered aftermath, I directed reconstruction in many nations. I have worked with great spiritual leaders and with great statesmen. I have lived under governments of free men, of kings and dictators, and under fascism and communism. Perhaps amid this din of voices and headlines of gloom, I may say something about the inner forces from which come the strengths of America. They assure its future and its continued service to mankind. In 1992, the facility was modernized and expanded, with more emphasis on Hoover's personal journey from orphan to mining engineer to Commerce Secretary and President. Ronald Reagan keynoted a rededication ceremony. Back to basics for the Republican Party is my civil rights history of the GOP. To quote the book, "The more we Republicans know about the history of our party, the more the Democrats will worry about the future of theirs." For more information, see grandoldpartisan.com.